Hello, remote family. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm back with another work from home job, and today I have 100% a work from home, which is a no phone job, and it doesn't require any degree, any experience. So, the opening I have is with this company, Multiplan, and they are into healthcare system. So let's get into the job details. So they are looking for medical claims intake coordinator. So it's a 100% remote position and they are paying $17 an hour. So here are the job responsibilities. You will intake and create cases in all applicable systems and you will perform timely data entry of necessary information and perform adjustments on medical claims and outreach to customers to obtain necessary details on medical claims. You will research appropriate systems to identify data needed to complete cases and ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations and requirements. You will demonstrate company's core competencies and values held within. So this position responsibilities outlined above are in no way to be construed as all encompassing. So this role is considered to be a high risk role. And let's see what are the requirements for the job role. A high school diploma or equivalent, ability to efficiently use a keyboard and quickly navigate software applications, a high speed internet access, quiet work area without distractions, a regular and consistent attendance and adherence to work schedule, a knowledge of medical insurance terminology required, and actual experience preferred, good communication skills, and ability to work without frequent supervision, and able to maintain confidentiality in all required situations, and should be able to use software, hardware, and peripherals related to job responsibilities. So this was the job requirements, the job details I've shared with you. So this is a temporary position which is expected to last 60 to 120 days. So you will need to work from 8 to 4:30 p.m. CT, and after training you can schedule your own timings anywhere between 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. So again, they are paying $17 an hour. And if you are interested in this job post, please apply for the same. You will find a link for this below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video. And if you are looking for a work from home opportunity, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.